Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact slides file you want autoplay. This ensures settings apply correctly. Next, go straight to File Publish to the web for reliable autoplay across browsers. That path exposes loop and timing controls. Choose an auto advance interval that matches your audience, shorter for quick kiosks, longer for talks. Once done, decide whether to publish a link or use present mode for one-off runs, and make sure to save changes before moving on. Now focus on the detailed execution. In Publish to the web, set the auto advance interval and enable both start and restart options so the deck loops continuously. If you need precise control, test different intervals and observe pacing. Timing affects comprehension and engagement. Once configured, copy the shareable link or the iframe embed code for kiosks or websites. Then, test the published version in an incognito window, and on the exact device or browser the audience will use to confirm behavior. Finish by placing the published link or embed into the target display, and configure the device for uninterrupted presentation. Kiosk mode or a dedicated Chrome profile works well. If autoplay doesn't start, check browser autoplay policies. Many browsers block media without user gesture. Using Chrome and kiosk mode usually bypasses that restriction. Also confirm the tab is focused and the device is awake. As a troubleshooting tip, always have present mode or a remote control fallback, ready to avoid dead air.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.